Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove the back cover at the Wiko Jerry. So it's a bit tricky. If you have the phone like this in front, then on the side you will have a small notch in here. I hope you can see that. And you enter with your fingernail the notch and pull a bit to remove it. It is a bit heavy as you can see. And then go with the fingernail alongside the case and you see it is removed now. Otherwise, if you don't want to hurt your nails, you can use also a credit card or something like this. And yeah, but it works. And if you want to put it back, you just put it like this and then go around with your fingers, tack, 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 click, 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 and it's done. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may you just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.